Hello friends, welcome to our video on the conjunction since. We're going to learn about the conjunction since. Since is a conjunction that we use to show the reason for something or to indicate the time something started. Since he started studying, his grades have improved. Since is used here to indicate both the time when something began he started studying and the reason for the improvement in his grades. She's been carrying an umbrella since it started raining. The rain begins and the girl opens her umbrella. It shows the cause and effect relationship. Since he learned to play the guitar, he has become very popular. The boy playing the guitar surrounded by cheering friends. It shows cause and effect relationship. Since she started practicing, her handwriting has improved. Here, handwriting has improved because she started practicing. Since it's her birthday, we decided to bake a cake. The conjunction since connects the two clauses to show the cause and effect relationship. Since he won the competition, everyone has been congratulating him. The conjunction since connects the two clauses to show the cause and effect relationship. Since she didn't sleep well last night, she feels tired today. The conjunction since to show the cause and effect relationship between two events. Since she got her new bike, she's been riding it every day. The conjunction since connects the two clauses to show the cause and effect relationship. Since it hasn't rained, he waters the plants every morning. The conjunction since connects the two clauses to show the cause and effect relationship. Since the library opened, she's been borrowing books regularly. The conjunction since connects the two clauses to show the cause and effect relationship. Since he learned the answer, he raised his hand confidently. The conjunction since connects the two clauses to show the cause and effect relationship. Thanks for watching. If you find this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe for more language tips and lessons.